During the previous government, Russians were resided here and they were undertaking technical reforms. Thanks to the efforts, dedication and accomplishments of our Afghan professional engineers, today we are capable of producing 100 megawatts of electricity. Naghlu Power Plant, the largest foundation of power generation and water management. In the rugged terrain of Kabul province, where the mountains meet the rivers, stands a symbol of engineering, prowess and energy independence, the Naghlu Power Plant. This marvel construction comes under the skilled hands of Technoporum Export, a Russian company tasked with bringing power to this remote region. Naghlu Power Plant, spanning 360 meters in length, scoring to a height of 110 meters and covering 15.5 square kilometer area, holds back a staggering 550 million cubic meters of water, a vital resource for both irrigation and 380 million cubic meters of water for electricity generation. The story of Naghlu begins in 1960, when the kingdom of the time for the prosperity of the nation, suitable management of water resources, uplifting country's economy and development of industries laid the foundation stone of this masterpiece in Kabul Surubi district. The construction of Naghlu Power Plant started on the 8th of August 1960 and was completed on the 16th of February 1967, and the dam reservoir was filled with water up to a certain height. The first turbine was activated on September 13, and the second turbine was activated in November, and the third turbine was activated almost 3 months later. The operation of the fourth turbine was completed almost 8 years in July 1974. With the activation of these 4 turbines, which has a capacity of 25 megawatt electricity, the total production reached 100 megawatts.
The
Naghlu Power Plant has 4 turbines, each has capacity of 25 megawatts with a total capacity of 100 megawatts. Certainly, more than 4 decades of war in the country have had its negative impacts on this great establishment. But individuals behind these institutions who have dedicated their entire lives to serving deserve utmost respect and recognition for their tireless efforts, even as they approach retirement age. We have been working here for over 30 years. Alhamdulillah, we have successfully addressed every technical issue. Everything is running smoothly at the plant. Creation of technical improvements and innovation in Naghlu Power Plant by Afghan engineers. There are currently 110 technical workers in Naghlu Power Plant who are professional engineers. They handle not only the organization and production of electricity, but also various other responsibilities. The most important thing about this is that almost 3 years ago, some works here were carried out by Russian engineers. But now all works are being carried out by highly skilled and dedicated Afghan professional engineers. The shift towards Afghan professional engineers in power generation factories has resulted in significant cost savings and has bolstered the experience of Afghan engineers. During the previous government, Russians were resided here and they were undertaking technical reforms. Alhamdulillah, all Afghan technical engineers in the factory are skilled, and we do not feel the need for foreign engineers to come and work here. Decades-old sediment removal from the Naghlu Power Plant, replacement of outdated heavy equipment with modern alternatives, reconstruction of electricity generation and distribution management systems, development of new modern systems, construction of new substations, establishment of technical workshops for equipment repair, reconstruction of bed ribbing, installation of the largest crane for heavy equipment, and hundreds of other technical upgrades and developments have been successfully completed. These achievements are attributed to the dedicated efforts of skilled and professional Afghan engineers. Overall, the Naghlu Power Plant have highly skilled engineers who have faithfully served here for an extended period. Previously, tasks such as protection, mechanics, maintenance, and others were handled by foreign companies before the Islamic Emirate. But now our Afghan professional engineers efficiently manage all these responsibilities. Thanks to their dedication, we have achieved the capability to produce 100 megawatts of electricity. These initiatives have created numerous convenience and accelerated the work process, bringing satisfaction to all professional electrical engineers.
د نغلو د فابریکې ټول پرسونل
All personnel at the Naghlu power plant, especially our protection engineers, strive to execute their projects and duties efficiently. We are pleased to report that production is running smoothly without any issues.
ان شاء الله مونږ په اطمینان سره ویل چې مونږ په تولید کې هیڅ مشکل نه لرو او هر څه نورمال دي.
At this facility, professional electrical engineers express satisfaction with provided amenities and affirm their dedication to serving fellow citizens out of deep love for their country. This is our homeland. We work here and earn our livelihood from this place. Equipment renewal and restoration is essential task, and here at the technical workplace or workshop, the same professional engineers manufacture and repair the equipment, ensuring its utility. Over the years, many motors went out of service, and here after activating the workshop, all have been rebuilt and are now operational. Generating electricity from a water dam is no simple task. However, with well-organized systems, efficient utilization of resources like oil and air, and effective management by diligent technical staff driven by a strong sense of nationalism, it becomes achievable. At the Naghlu power plant, this concerted effort ensures reliable electricity supplies to homes, workplaces, and industrial plants, benefiting our fellow citizens. The production of electricity requires various materials such as air, oil, water, and cooling systems. At our plant, we have 6 air compressors, 2 operate 25 atmosphere and 4 at 6 to 7 atmospheres, with a total plant-wide usage of 6 atmosphere of air. Each of these tanks you see can store 10 cubic meters of air. This is our national duty, and it reflects the slogan of the Afghanistan Shirkat that brings lights. Therefore, everyone here at the plant strives to provide uninterrupted electricity to our fellow countrymen. The production of electricity from this large production plant and its integration with imported electricity regulation and distribution to areas is done through a powerhouse or substation.
The substation now is
This substation has been renovated and 3-phase transformers have been installed in it. Each transformer has a capacity of 24 megawatts. 3 other transformers, one is called TF and the 2 others are called 2T, and each transformer has a capacity of 72 megawatts. We connect 2 turbines, each producing 25 megawatts to one transformer. Reaching peak electricity production at Naghlu power plant ahead of schedule. However, Naghlu power plant electricity production level reduces to only 13 megawatts or less during the water shortage season, and its highest level of power production in the summer season, and before its peaking, the technical research and corrections of all the turbines and equipment are completed, and then the production starts again. But this year, increased rainfall has raised water levels, allowing the plant to achieve maximum electricity production earlier than anticipated. Fortunately, since the last 10 days of Ramadan, when the rains have started, the water level has significantly increased, leading to the ample accumulation, and now we have reached our maximum production before the anticipated time. Removing clay and sediment from the dam space requires technical expertise and it's costly. However, Afghan engineers demonstrated this professionalism and dedication by activating flush gate at the minimal expense to remove significant amount of sediments. In a contrast, a foreign company proposed a cost of $4 million for the same task. The flush gate was opened, releasing a large amount of sediments, initially estimated by the World Bank to cost millions of dollars for repairs and sediments removal, including the construction of the gate itself. But we managed to complete everything within a budget of 250,000 Afghanis. A technical plan has been devised for the removal of sediments through a flush gate, according to which this gate will be opened periodically. With the first opening of this year, more than 1 million cubic meters of sediments were successfully released from it. 100 cubic meters of water per second flows out of this gate, and this water comes from the bottom of the dam, which has more sediments more than the amount of water. In recognition of the efforts and expenses invested in electricity production, the leadership of Shirkat and its dedicated technical team urge all countrymen to pay their electricity bills promptly, cooperate with the Afghanistan Shirkat in the prevention of electricity losses, fostering a national sense of responsibility and emphasizing the importance of conserving electricity throughout every season. Our message to our dear citizens is to use LED bulbs and energy-efficient devices. By opting for low-consumption devices, one household electricity electricity usage could potentially power 10 households. We encourage our citizens to adopt efficient practices to reduce consumption and ensure electricity reaches more families. Our foremost objective at the Afghanistan Prishna Shirkat is to lead essential reforms in our domestic electricity production rates. We are committed to expanding our production capabilities and actively seeking investments from both domestic and international stakeholders in renewable energy initiatives. Our goal is to completely eliminate the need for imported electricity and to maximize our domestic production capacity. By harnessing renewable energy sources and modernizing our infrastructure, we aim to ensure sustainable and reliable electricity supply across the nation, driving forward the development and prosperity of Afghanistan.
ساده حریت مو پاکی واخیستا فخر امارات اسلامی یو ډیر مکړه آزاد